This is Sajid from Cinema Glitz. Today we'll be reviewing the Lego Batman movie directed by Chris McKay. The Lego Batman movie. 3 years after saving the Lego universe along with Emmett, Batman continues fighting crime against the Joker, who is at the moment trying to destroy Gotham City. What happens during this process forms the crux of the story, directed by Chris McKay.
I'm Batman! No, defeat the Joker.
Making a movie based on a construction toy is a very tedious task, and when you make it in the very right sense, the way the toy is played is even a more tedious job. But Warner Brothers did a great job bringing in 2 movies based on the most favorite toy called Lego construction blocks. Their first movie was a stupendous hit, and the second movie, totally based on Batman, is actually getting raving reviews across the globe. The reason being, the movie has all the elements to entertain the audience, not only at the age of 6 but till 60, which covers the entire age group, keeping them entertained throughout the runtime. The beauty of this film is they bring in all the characters which Warner Brothers own under their banner. That is, including the superheroes and the supervillains. That makes it more interesting and entertaining on screen. You can see right from Superman, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern to Aquaman. And when it comes to villains, they haven't not even spared Voldemort from Harry Potter. And you can see Agent Smith coming across the screen as well as supervillains in the film. When you just think you're done with supervillains, they present you with Godzilla and King Kong hanging through the skyscrapers built by Lego. The movie has a very good flavor of entertainment, comedy, laced with one-liners which Batman dishes out, mocking not only the DC universe as well as it touches here and there of Marvel. For example, the password which opens to the Batcave says Iron Man sucks. That just breaks out a huge laugh among the audience and the fans in the theater. The animation was spectacular, especially which involved Joker, Harley Quinn, and the lead character Batman, Robin, and the Butler. They all came together so well, making the film a huge Bat family. The icing on the cake was the IMAX 3D, which actually brought a great aura to the film, making it even more lively among the audience. The editing by David, Matt and John was on tight leash, which kept on for 104 minutes. A verdict for this film would be, Chris McKay did a fine job in making a sequel to this movie full-fledged on Batman, and they brought in perfect characters to suit the ensemble. The animation was spectacular, which complemented every frame of it. Definitely worth a watch, especially take your kids with you so that they will enjoy it to the fullest. Our rating for this film would be 4 out of 5 stars. The Lego Batman movie, in fact, brings DC's extended universe to its knees.
Batman! Thank you. I'm Batman! No, defeat the Joker.
If you have watched the Lego Batman movie, please leave your valuable comments, opinions and reviews under the comment section below. Do like us, share this video and most definitely subscribe to our channel. For a detailed review, log on to our website www.cinemaglitz.com. Until the next video review, this is Sajid signing off.